And you might not think that the angle of the camera actually matters, but it does, and here's why. Almost all of the lessons in these tutorials are from a straight angle. You, the camera, is equal to my eye level. That puts us on the same plane. It means you and I are equals. I'm talking to you as a partner and equal, someone who I can share some knowledge with that I think you're going to benefit from. And you hopefully see that knowledge coming from an equal, someone who has got something that has to offer that you want. So that's why we're using that's why we're using a straight camera angle. Let's go to high next. Switch to a high angle and it makes a lot of difference. Now you're above me and you're looking down. It's the same me. My eyes are still at the 2/3 line. I'm still in the center of the screen, but now you are looming over me. You're looking down at me from above. It makes me look weak. It makes me look powerless. It makes me look like you have the upper hand over me, and what I have to say might not be as important. You don't have to listen to me because you're above me. Simply changing the camera, the angle, changes the relationship between the viewer and the screen and the subject. And that relationship matters to how the viewer perceives what it is they see. As you're storyboarding, only use high angles when you want to convey that kind of different relationship between the camera and the subject. I'm kind of cheating for this low angle shot because I couldn't use my green screen in order to make this work so you can see the actual ceiling above me. But now, same thing again, I'm still on the 2/3 line, but now I'm looming over you. This is a low angle, and the angle is the description of what the camera sees. So a high angle means the camera is high, a low angle means the camera is low. From a low angle shot, I look strong and powerful and menacing. I'm looming over the camera. Once again, changes the relationship between the subject and the audience and does not put us in an equal playing field. Low angle shots, just like high angle shots, you should only use when there's a reason for using them, when you've got a purpose for telling the story that way. Think of the classic example is of a fight scene. You've got two characters fighting and you got the good guy and the bad guy. At the beginning of the fight, you see the good guy from high angles, making him look weak. Oh no, he'll never defeat this bad guy. The bad guy is so bad. Then by the end of the fight, as the good guy finally overcomes adversity and gets the upper hand, we see the good guy from these low angle shots. He is strong, he has overcome. It's a classic example of what low and high angle shots are used for. For our purposes, we expect to see just straight shots unless there's a reason for doing from a different angle.